SmartSuite had a pretty cool release happen in the last couple days. Few things that they made happen. Conditional forms, this is now a thing. So as you can see here, phase 1 of conditional forms has been released. So there must be a few form fields or other types of functionality that will be coming soon. So that is pretty exciting. The My Work section, what has changed is if you have users on the guest account, so this is the free account, they are now able to modify the status field. So what that will allow them to do, if you have someone that has been assigned a task and all you need them to do is change the status of a record, they can complete that now, which is very helpful for users who do very minimal types of workflows other than reading, or obtaining or viewing the information that they need to see and being able to mark something as complete or moving it to the next stage in the status. And the last thing is the signature field type is now available in the document designer, which is still in the alpha stage, but that is coming along well as well. So that is handy, and this is how each of them work or look. I won't go into the My Work section as I'm not on a guest account for this, but as you can imagine, it operates much the same as it does in any other account. So the My Work, which is up here, I imagine in the guest view, it looks very similar. What they'll be able to do is go in and change the status here. And I believe they are able to add comments as well to each record. And here I just have an example set up. So I have a full name, email, phone number, and a signature field. And if I go into the view, and I will open up this view. Let's see if I enter a name here. And here's where the conditional status comes into play, or sorry, conditional fields come into play. If I select phone, I can have the phone number show up. And if I select email, I can have the email field show up. And the way you change that is if you just select the icon here, you can already see that this means that there is a conditional field configuration. So if you select there, go down to show field only when conditions are met, and then you have some options in there. So that's how that works. I will just complete this to show you the next piece of this, which is the signature field being added to the document designer. So you can draw or type in a signature. So I will submit that and go back to the database here, and you can see it was logged. If we go up to the document designer, I've already set one up here. It's just really basic. Click new document, and I can click through and see the one that I just created, named Bob Smith. So you can set this up and make it look any way you want. And then here's a preview of it. So this is how it would look when you go to download the document. So that's pretty cool coming along. And as always, SmartSuite's releasing excellent new features on a very regular basis. So that's it for this video. Thanks for watching.